Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Now this one came from my friends over at Zoibien. I did pay with it my own money. I didn't get any sponsored video or any freebies, unfortunately. I'll just give you a little scan there. You can use your phone camera app to scan that and you'll be able to download the app that goes along with this. This is what the Osmo Mobile 6 can do. I'll go into that in the next video, not into this video. This one's just an unboxing. So let's have a look. Let's open this up and see what we get inside the box. Okay, it's got a little pull tab there like Apple, but it's got some plastic film over the outside. Let me just get a knife. Sorry about this. Should have been more prepared. Right, let's cut that open. There we go. Right, so it's got a little cellophane wrapper. I don't know why. It looks like it shouldn't have had that. Maybe in Vietnam, because it's a tropical country, maybe they put that on to stop any damp getting inside. Okay, so inside the box we have... Right, this feels a bit heavy, so obviously this has got something inside. Let's have a look, see what this has got. I believe last year this had the lanyard and everything else inside. Magnets and things. Okay. Right, there was a bit of cardboard, it was tricking me. Right, so we've got one thing and we've got two, that's all. So this is a Type-C cable, Type A to Type-C. And there's nothing else in there. Let's get rid of that. Right, also inside there we've got a little bag. And we've got the booklet, much thinner than usual. Usually they include an entire tree, but this year much smaller. Right, so we've just got the warranty cards. And this little tiny one is the quick start guide. Okay, that's nice. Again, you can pause the video and read through that if you need to. I'll do that for you, not for me. Okay, so what's this one? Okay, just a little bit of warranty information. Nothing much to worry about. Right, so this is the little bag. It's got Osmo on the front, and it's a very nice, like a moleskin type of material. Inside here we've got the magnet mount for the phone. Now I believe this one opens a little bit wider than usual. Last year I had a few problems getting it on the cases with the iPhone Pro Max. Right, so we've got a black or a dark grey stand. Silica gel, don't eat that. Right, what's this? Okay, there's some little foam pieces here. I believe that's to pad it out if you are using a phone that's a little bit thinner. Or maybe without your cases on. Right, what else? Right, we've just got the main body here. So there doesn't seem to be as much in the box as there was with the Osmo Mobile 4. I didn't bother with the 5 last year because it came out in a sunset white colour or something, and I didn't want to walk around with a glowing white stick in my hand. Right, okay, so this one's got a little LED display, and it shows just the connected power, and then it's got the battery life. The battery life changes. It has green when it's full, and then it goes to yellow and red as it gets less and less power. Okay, so this is a little part here just to tell you about connecting it. Type-C port, you've got your trigger on the back, and then you've got your power button at the top, your record and take a photo with the red dot, your joystick, and this one's a little zoom wheel. This is quite useful. You can zoom in and out nice and smoothly instead of trying to use the little telephoto button that they had before. No lanyard in the box this year. That's a shame. I'll have to see if I can find a lanyard for it. Right, so we've got the red light flashing there. That means it's trying to connect to the app. And then when you close it back down, it shuts itself off. That's really good. That's a good feature. I like that. You don't have to mess about too much with powering it on and off. I don't know about the battery life yet. I'll do that again, as I said, with the next video after I've been out and tested it a bit. It's raining hard outside today, so I'm not going to be able to get outside today, unfortunately. Right, okay, setup process. Now, in my experience with the DJI app and Apple, it's quite a process because you have to allow so many different things. Right, let's put that on there. Okay, that's still quite a tight fit, so I'm not sure if it's going to fit the bigger phones again this year very well. This is an iPhone Pro, not a Pro Max, so okay, it's still asking me to allow and connect and allow. You have to allow for pictures, you have to allow for microphone, audio, you have to see if you want them to track you, and it's quite complicated. This is iOS 16, so it's even more complicated than usual. Right, okay, so I didn't get a chance to show you some footage today, but it is raining outside, as I said earlier, and I will make another video and I'll upload that next week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.